met you, I was spiritually bleeding. I never understood and I'm always misreading. Every day I thank God, you're always interceding. I'm grateful for you, the words that you're teaching. You taught me to be wise, now I'm exceeding. I'm walking on the word and the knowledge that you're feeding. You're changing the nation, keep on leading. No hindrance, no impeding.
We love you, we love you. We love you, we love you.
First, make me big up G with General. Sir, you know you are the real big man. You wanna PROFIT. You are the P with the H. You bring real prophecy. Thank you, sir, that you answer the call. Cause if you never did, we wouldn't they none at all. You are a man of God who is real and clear. No nonsense, you not tolerate round here. So when you hear, hey you, come here. Step in at the aisle and put your hand in the air. Take 3 steps, give me a high five. If you believe God is real and alive, do you believe God can do it for you? Go on, go take a lap if you know this is true. Have no fear, this is your breakthrough. I said I feel so happy. Pastor Dorothy, such a gracious lady, perfect example of what a Proverbs 31 woman needs to be. Great intercessor, such an awesome teacher, powerful, strong, beautiful, that's you. To our pastors, we appreciate you, yeah. Just wanna say thank you, and we love you. Appreciate the things that you do. May God bless and keep you. Continue to lead you in everything that you do. Just wanna say